Hi HBNR families, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to cut and sew elastic waistband professionally. On my previous video on elastic band sewing, I see a lot of comments and arguments there, so that's why I'm making this video, just to clear every doubt on it. So the arguments are, how many inches are we to deduct from the elastic band before sewing it and before attaching it to the pants? But believe me, after watching this video to the end, you won't really have any question to ask, because this video is very understandable and very easy to assimilate. So if you are new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, you will get notified. Don't forget to share and like. So you can also buy me super thanks just to support this channel. So let's get started. Thanks for watching. HBNR. I'm already done with sewing of my joggers pants. As you already know that I normally use my hips measurement to cut my waist for joggers, and after the sewing the waist will be bigger than my actual waist measurement. So the next thing to do is to measure the waist circumference of the joggers, which gives me 20 inches. So now I'm going to cut the fabric I'm going to use for my waistband. I'm going to measure 20.5. I'm going to add extra 0.5 for seaming allowance. So I mark 20.5 for. Now after cutting it, I'm going to sew in the extra 0.5 I added to it, so which will make it 20 inches as I have measured on the joggers pants. Now I'm gonna take the actual measurement of my waist circumference like this. My waist circumference is 32, and I'm going to deduct 6 inches from my actual waist circumference because I'm using a very stretchy elastic band. Although the stretchiness of elastic band is vary, some you might just have to deduct 5 inches, but in this video I'm deducting 6 inches. So after cutting the 26 in elastic band, after deducting 6 inches from my actual waist measurement, which is 32, so I've started sewing. I need to sew the elastic band together like this before attaching it into the fabric I'm going to use for my waist band. So if you're new on this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share and like the video, please. So after inserting the elastic band into the fabric like this, I'm going to place it on the sewing machine, and I'm going to run the stitches like this. So this is what is going to looks like after sewing the elastic waistband before attaching it to the joggers pant. As you can see, it looks nice, and here I've already attached it to the joggers band, and let's see how it looks like after attaching it to the joggers pant. So this is how it looks like, as you can see.